come again for this our entertainment news. Oh, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do where to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that all the news go they enter your phone as if na message. You go they know all the ogbonge tori where they happen and where they sup for the world. Though this will not be them say this one na see am for yourself. Make you hear am for yourself. Oh. My people, on today's entertainment news, we want to talk about Iyabo Ojo daughter, where she go out for one podcast called they talk about her mama. All of us know Iyabo Ojo na this Nollywood actress where she dey act. She sabi act well, especially for Yoruba movies. She dey act both English and Yoruba, but she dey act more of Yoruba movies this period. The daughter come out now, they talk say im mama na very strong woman. Say in all their women for their family, say all of them strong. Say na there she even for carry for her mama. Say even she herself, she na strong woman being, a strong person. Say things not dey weigh her down, things not fit break her, because things not dey break down her mama. Say even when things are not going well with her, if her mama go know, but her mama not come give her that pity face. Ew, sorry, don't worry. Say like mama go even carry her stand up, follow and they dance as if nothing's up. She shall talk many things for this strong matter. Say her mama no dey cry. Say never say her mama don't cry before. Say na her mama dey handle all the matter by herself. She not dey stress. Say any problem wey mama face enter, next day she don't buckle up. Everything don't turn to normal. My people, me I be strong person too. I don't just say I don't dey cry. Now our Twitter family don't come and say you mean say your mama not dey cry? They can go bring videos come from Facebook or different places. Because this will not be your mama. Not be tears be this, or not be tears there eyes. So they shall dig out some pictures, some video for people to see. Say she dey cry for that video or pictures. But some people can say cry not mean say you weak, and say if you dey cry that will not mean say you weak. Anyway, my people, when I come like say I dey talk too much, make I play on the video, make una watch this video see the end.
Mom feel in every position. So it's just like, when you see online and you're like, oh, you want that daddy, you want that. But like to me, I feel like my mom literally did everything perfect. So like I wouldn't say I was depressed at any point, because I feel like we came from a lineage of strong women. I am very strong. My mom is very strong. I've never seen my mom cry. Not like maybe I've never seen her cry. We've never had moments where we're crying. Never. We are very strong. My mother is very strong, and I learned from her. Do you understand? So even when I go through something, she can never see me down. We have that spirit of, we're not gonna, like, that energy is not in this house. So
no
we surround. Do you understand? So even when I can be on my bed crying, when she comes in, I'm dancing, and she will know that you're sad. Yeah, about my mom. She knows when I'm down. She knows, but she won't say I come to say, you're not.
No room for weakness.
Oh, you're going to the club.
My people, open and don't watch the video. Now hear wetin she talk. Say mama, it's not bad to be strong woman for my own opinion, but crying really does not mean that you are weak. Person cry come out, tears come out for eye. Better say tears dey your heart. You know say some people they cry for inside heart. Tears where they cry for inside heart, that dangerous pass tears where they come out for this your eyes. So anyway, my people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Tears na weakness, abi not be weakness. If you cry, that one mean say you not be strong person. I go like know una opinion. Make una drop una comment for comment section. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una do well to stay safe. For una don't